Once upon a time, not so long ago, building a website for your small business would have been a massive undertaking. If you wanted it to look professional and work properly, you needed to fork over the big bucks to the experts. And if you wanted to save your dollars, well, you probably ended up with a less than impressive website. But times have changed. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to build a website for your small business, even if you have zero experience. We'll cover everything from choosing the right platform to making sure your site is clear, simple, and ready to turn visitors into customers. Hi, I'm Erin from SiteGround, and if you're into practical small business tips like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our new videos. All right, ready to tackle your website? Let's get started. Sort out the basics. Before we really jump in, we need to nail down a few foundational elements first, like establishing an actual home and starting point for your website. Let's think of it like this. You need a domain name, which is like your street address. It's how people find you online. For example, yourbusiness.com. If you're not sure what's available, SiteGround has an AI domain generator tool that can give you creative, relevant ideas based on your keywords and instantly check what's available. Then you'll also need hosting, which is the actual land your site sits on. This is where all your site's files, images, and content are stored, so people can visit your site anytime. And lastly, you'll need to decide on a website platform. It's the home itself, the tool you'll use to design and manage your site. Now, connecting all of these dots is where things can get messy if you're not super technical. You could build a site from scratch, use a content management system like WordPress, or a site builder. For beginners or those who simply don't enjoy going down tech rabbit holes, I recommend the SiteGround Website Builder. With it, you get reliable hosting and an easy-to-use website builder all in one place, so you can focus on your business instead of getting sucked into that digital quagmire. And if selling online is part of your plan, SiteGround also comes with a built-in e-commerce functionality. That means you can easily set up a fully functional online store with no hidden costs, zero maintenance, and enterprise-grade infrastructure supporting it all. I'll leave a link below so you can get started. With your foundation laid, your domain, hosting, and platform sorted, you're ready to move on to defining your brand and messaging. To help you stay organized and make sure you don't miss any steps, we have a free downloadable website checklist that you can use as you build your site. Define your brand and messaging. Once you've got your site's foundation in place, you'll want to make sure visitors instantly know who you are and why they should choose you. Let's start with your unique value proposition, or UVP. This is a short, clear statement that explains the unique benefit your business offers, who it's for, and why it's different from others in your space. For example, instead of saying, "We sell handmade candles," you might say, "Hand-poured soy candles with scents inspired by Mediterranean coastlines." See the difference? It's more specific, more memorable, and instantly positions you in the market. Also, don't know about you, but suddenly I find myself wanting one of these imaginary candles. By the way, hot tip here, you can turn to ChatGPT to help you with this kind of thing. In fact, you can turn to ChatGPT for assistance on the creation of most of your site. And we have a whole video dedicated to how to make this happen. I'll leave a link below. All right, next is your brand. And I'm not just talking about your logo and color palette. Your brand is the personality, tone, and style you want people to experience every time they interact with your business. Are you casual and approachable? Minimalist and sleek? Fun and quirky? Of course you are. Once you decide on the specifics, though, make sure to set it in stone. That is, be consistent and even create proper brand guidelines so that your team and partners know what's up when it comes to your copy, your visuals, and so on. Implement your brand and messaging. Now we've got to put this branding and messaging into action. Assuming you choose a website builder like SiteGround's, the next best step is to select a website template that matches your business's style. Once you've chosen your template, make it yours. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, and set your fonts so everything feels consistent right from the start. Keep in mind that the closer the template matches your brand from the beginning, the fewer edits you'll need to make. Plus, templates are usually designed with best practices in mind, meaning your layout, fonts, and colors are already optimized for a great user experience. And side note, When using the SiteGround website builder, your website will automatically be optimized for mobile. With your template branded, it's time to start implementing your messaging. Your homepage is the star of the show, and the hero section, that top area visitors see before they scroll, is where you'll want to put your attention first. It's in this space that you'll really want to make sure that your UVP shines. To pull this off, start with a strong headline and a short, engaging sentence that tells people exactly what you do. Then add a clear call to action so they know the next step to take. And to really make it pop and capture the essence of your business, use a high-quality image or video as the background. Now, if you want to dig in deeper into how to make the Heroes section work hard for you, check out our other video on how to design the perfect homepage. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. It will tell you everything you need to know to make your homepage a success. Keep it simple. When you're building out the content and structure of your site, it's tempting to cram in every detail about your business. But the truth is, people don't care. Okay, they care. But they just don't read websites like they read books. They scan. So if your site feels cluttered or confusing, they'll leave. Simple as that. That's why you want to keep your site structure simple. Start with the essentials, such as a homepage, as we discussed, that communicates what you do and why you're special. An about page to share your story and build trust. A service or products page to explain what you offer. And a contact page with clear ways to reach you. From there, you can include more pages if they truly add value, like a page for testimonials or an FAQ section. But remember, every page should have a clear purpose. When it comes to your site navigation, keep it short and straightforward. Aim for 5 to 7 menu items max, so visitors don't have to hunt for what they need. And let's not forget SEO, search engine optimization, that is. Even with a simple site, a few small tweaks can make a big difference in helping people find you. Think descriptive page titles, clear headings, and using the same words your customers might type in when they're looking for your products or services. If you're using SiteGround, the website builder makes adding your SEO title and description super straightforward, so you can check that box without diving into anything too technical. Meanwhile, if you want to go deeper on the subject, I'll leave some resources for you below. Add a clear next step. Every page on your site should guide visitors toward one clear next step. And that's where your call to action, or CTA, comes in. A CTA is simply what you want someone to do next, whether that's booking a consultation, buying your product, signing up for your newsletter, or getting in touch. Your CTA should be obvious and consistent, so don't make visitors scroll or search for it. Place it where it's easy to see, like in your homepage hero section and at the end of service descriptions. And when writing your CTA, use action-oriented language. So instead of a plain submit button, try book your free consultation, shop this collection, or get my free guide. Make sure your CTA stands out visually too. Use a contrasting button color, plenty of space around it, and make sure your wording is easy to read at a glance. And remember, you don't need to have just one CTA across your site. Different pages may have different goals. For example, your homepage might invite people to learn more, while your contact page encourages them to schedule a call. The key is to be intentional and make sure there's no confusion about the next step. And if one of your goals is selling online, whether that's a physical product or a digital download, or even booking a consultation, SiteGround's website builder makes it easy to add a fully functional online store to your site. You can preview everything for free while you're building and only start paying once you're ready to hit publish. Clear, well-placed CTAs with strong contrast aren't just important for conversions, they're also key to accessible web design. They make sure that everyone, including those using screen readers or with low vision, can navigate your site and take action. Combined with a logical site structure and easy-to-scan layouts, these elements create a smooth, frustration-free experience that works for all visitors. Now, if you're not familiar with accessible web design and would like to learn more, be sure to check out our video that breaks it all down. I'll be leaving a link below. A fast, reliable site. We've heard it all before. First impressions matter. Same goes for your new website. If it takes too long to load, people will leave before they even see what you offer. In fact, studies show that a 1-second delay can impact conversions. That's why speed is the hidden deal maker or breaker when it comes to creating your site. You also want to make sure your site feels professional and trustworthy. That means clean design, no broken links, and just as important, security. Even if you're not taking payments directly, people expect to see that little padlock icon in their browser, which shows your site has an SSL certificate. Without it, your site may even display a warning that scares visitors away. So when it comes to speed and security, a quality hosting provider is what will really pay off. With SiteGround, you get fast loading speeds, built-in security features like free SSL and daily backups, and excellent uptime. It's the kind of behind-the-scenes ally that helps your business look professional from day one. Bonus tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to help your small business website do even more for you. First, I'd be remiss if I didn't recommend building email marketing into your website right from the start. It's one of the most powerful ways to turn casual visitors into loyal customers. So as you're building your site, be sure to include easy ways for people to subscribe to your newsletter or updates. If you're using the SiteGround website builder, this is super easy, allowing you to integrate forms into your website and then to create and send professional emails to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. If you want to learn more, we've got all sorts of tips on email marketing and lead generation in our Email Marketing for Beginners video. I'll drop the link below. Next, plan ahead with e-commerce. Even if you don't think of yourself as an online store, there's probably something you can sell or book through your website, like products, services, or even free consultations that turn into paying clients. With the SiteGround website builder, you can add e-commerce functionality seamlessly. That is, you can preview your online store while building and only start paying when you're ready to publish. Plus, it handles secure payments, taxes, and inventory automatically, so you can focus on running your business, not wrestling with tech. Finally, don't forget to track your site's metrics. They let you know how visitors are finding your site, which pages they like best, which keywords they're using to find you, and so on. Having this info allows you to make smart improvements and help your small business website perform better and attract more customers over time. Check out our digital marketing metrics video, linked below, to learn how to get the most out of your numbers. And that's it. Building a professional, effective small business website doesn't have to be overwhelming, even if you're starting from scratch. With the right foundation, clear branding, a simple structure, strong calls to action, and a focus on speed, security, and accessibility, you can create a site that not only looks great, but actually helps you grow your business. And if you want to make the process even easier, SiteGround has everything you need in one place. It has reliable hosting, built-in security, blazing fast speeds, integrated email marketing tools, and importantly, a beginner-friendly website builder and e-commerce platform that's free to get started. It's the kind of all-in-one solution that lets you spend less time wrangling with tech and more time running your business. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. All right, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Now go create that website and let us know how it goes. See you next time.